Today we will learn queue. In our previous video, we already learned that there are four types of queue: linear queue, circular queue, dequeue, and priority queue. We already learned in different video what is linear queue, what is circular queue, and what is dequeue. So the link is given in the description. We already learned what is linear queue, what is the definition of this queue, and the related functions, coding, etc. Same for circular queue and dequeue. So these videos links are given in the description. Today we will learn the fourth one, that is priority queue. So today our topic is priority queue. So what is priority queue? A priority queue is a collection of elements such that each element has been assigned a priority. Means what? The order in which elements are added and deleted comes from the following rules. First is, an element of higher priority is processed, that is deleted, before the element of the lower priority. But if two elements with the same priority are deleted according to the order in which they are added to the queue. So if there are two elements with the same priority, then are deleted according to the order in which they are added to the queue. Take this example, then it will be more clear. See, in case of priority queue, there are three functions associated with this queue. First one is insert function. Insert, then the parameters are item and priority. That is, insert an item with the given priority. Second one is get highest priority. That is, this function returns the highest priority item. And third one is delete highest priority. That is, this function removes the highest priority item. So I am taking one table for priority queue. Initially the queue is empty. Now see the operation. First operation is insert C. So queue contains C. Next insert O. So queue contains C and O. Now insert D. So queue contains COD. Now remove max. Remove max means what? Here in this priority queue, element with maximum ASCII value will have the highest priority. So which element has maximum ASCII value? So here the maximum ASCII value is for O. O has maximum ASCII value. So now after removing this item, Q contains C and D. Then insert I. So CDI, Q contains CDI. Now insert N. So Q contains CDIN. Now again remove max. So maximum ASCII value item will be removed. Here N will be removed. Now the Q contains CDI. Again I want to insert G. So CDI. In this way priority queue works. How to implement priority queue? What is the related data structure associated with priority queue? Here you can use an array of structure. The structure should be like this. First you have to write the keyword struct, then the structure name item. Say our priority queue is an integer queue, so you have to write int item and the priority associated with the item. So another integer variable in priority. So the structure elements are int item and int priority. Now applications. Generally, a priority queue is used in a time sharing system. What is time sharing system? In time sharing systems, programs of higher priority are processed first and the program with the same priority form a standard queue. CPU scheduling. What is CPU scheduling? CPU scheduling is the process which allows one process to use the CPU while the execution of another process is on hold or in waiting state due to unavailability of any resource like IO, etc., thereby making full use of CPU. Third one is graph algorithm like Dijkstra, shortest path algorithms, Prim's minimum spanning tree, etc. Like all queue applications where priority is involved, priority queue is used. After learning linear queue, circular queue, dequeue, priority queue, Try to answer this question. We complete our Q chapter already and try to answer this question. And if you are facing any problem, feel free to ask any question in the comment section. Pause this video, try to answer this question. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.